how many will make it to the finish this time. We've got 11 under the first race. Who knows what the next time? And 27 already getting going, and getting going in quite a rapid fashion. He tries to clip it round. Sideways for hard, he's going to have to give that position up as 462 makes the move. Into third goes the Brighton Bear, 21, and in 27 the Ford KA Power is in fourth. Travel is one here, trying to push the sections before round, but 724 is round 20 inside of that Citroen. He's going to have a go anyway, he's going to keep pushing it, down the back straight they go, hitting it. That Ruth and Spence in 724. Right there, front limits pretty much doing the same. Tim James the Weeble doing the pushing on that occasion. And 69 goes round. Whoa! Broadside across the raceway, manages to get it to the trail though. 69's not going to win any prizes for speed. Like I said, keep an eye out for him later. Oh, 992, Tim round is 21. This is out a bit of punishment. 899 of Nathan Page. Coach, black diesel smoke out the back of his, not looking too good at all. The race lead still outburst between 62, 970 apart, 67. Oh, and there goes ahead, Haley Mucci on the race leader. Once again, making it difficult, and 970 apart now retakes the lead. Haley Mucci is one of the most destructive drivers out there today. Oh, spinning 537 again right in the face of the race leader, and the race leader this time has got to try and dispatch Kaylee. This is causing chaos here and slowing everyone down. Oh, number 7, the back marker, is getting involved as well. 27 was looking to make moves there. Right, was really smart. The race leader, I think it's going to home straight. 970, oh, there's a big hit down the home straight. 992 heads towards Mr. Starter. I hope he flinched there. I certainly did, you know, I'm behind a big panel of glass. So, looking by the back, 899, fully got there for second. Spike still, Bellow, back through. Oh, this is chaos down the home straight. It's now 992 front left. Probably not going to make the first round. Chaos is blocking down on turn 2. Got 2 cars stricken, one racing the 992 is just about making it centre. Oh, the extra panel van making it for him. There's a big one here, 537 dishing it out. Chaos once again. Then Harris is racing none of this though. He's on turn 4 and about to take the flag. Here he comes. 462, your race winner. Tim James. Picking a fight with one of the right bears. He's walking up through the back straight. Look at this. High up. 21, 37. 200's in there as well. We've got 27's just made it. Oh, we haven't even got top 3. What's going to happen here? Reinhardt looks like he's got going again. That would be third. Oh, a big hit goes in there. 52, the Bandit on the back of 21. So 97 out the circuit, sideways. Oh, yeah! That's a huge one. Absolutely huge one there. Oh, we've got red flags. Diesel smoke. Oh, goodness me, it's everywhere on the circuit. We get going again. Number 11 is absolutely boring in the back end. 402 then, your race leader. And watch out, Pit Ben, there's 3 of them coming together. 724, the belt roofing van, pushing another one of the transits down the straight. Tim James, the Weeble still going on. From 69 has been spun in the sail. He's going to back out though. He's going to go for our race leader. Coming to Holt. On the roadside there, 970. Oh, and this hit's going in from 69. Oh, and another huge one. 537. A big hit over the back axle. All okay though. Tim James, the Weaver, getting involved. The rain coming down, but the excitement still building as we reach the closing stages of this one. 970 seemingly dragging. Oh no, it's the front wheel, the front tyre's gone. Here, and more chaos is going on. Our race leader's having to dive to the shale, but he's managed to get through. It'll be 3 laps to go for the race. Whoever knows. 970 goes to the side of 69. How is that like they're still going? It's been a race where so many times, taken so many hits, and yet he's... is pushed into the stricken 89002, is travelling round, he's got a puncture. Debris flying everywhere as this final ramps up drama happening all over the race flag. Last lap I should say, ready to come to the flag. 402 looks like he's going to hold off. So 402, round the last bend. Checking flag, waved it off by our starter James Keane. Fist up, we go. 402 is your winner for today's feature final. 522 comes home in second, and it's green flag straight away to the Destruction Derby. It is last man standing. Oh, he stopped on the back straight again. Oh no, is it this? Is this it? Oh, Tim James just escapes. Well, this is it, the 2 survivors left. I can hear an engine note somewhere else on the circuit, but I don't think 719's moving, and 970 is only rocking back and forth. Here we go then, can the Weevil deliver a fatal blow? Oh! 11's still got quite a lot of life left in him, and is by far the bigger van. Dennis Patton in the big 11, 724 after that enormous hit is still just about moving, but Tim James the Weevil is looking like he's the only serious contender for the DD victory along with 11. Well, who's it going to be? 11 turns for the shale, turns to place Tim James. Get bogged down on the shale now. They really need to return to the circuit to deliver the heaviest of hits. Not got the turn to attack Tim James there, so down the road he will go. 522 is the front right broken. Now that's facing inwards, or is that Tim just trying to eat the car back onto the circuit? Oh, I don't know, that looks quite broken at the front right. Could 11 have delivered the fatal blow on the shale? Car's moving. 11 is going to come round again. I think 11's going to deliver a hefty hit here. Brace yourself, roadside bend, here we go. Oh, 970's been given a hook. 970 alive? No, he's not. It's Tim James. Oh, and 69 is moving.
There's another one, is there?
Oh, the
other big one.
It's alive. It's risen from its slumber. Here comes 11. Here we go. Oh! Now, 69, he's moving. He's alive. This is unreal, the biggest man is still going. Well, this has changed the game a little bit now. 69, he is the crowd favourite by the sounds of things. 11 still running. How is 69 still going? Look at it, it's falling apart. Well, where's 11 going? 69 is looking for a bit of attention, but 11 is not responding. 11's going his own way. Well, 69's managed to get going once again. Charlie Nolden. Are we cheering for the bear? Are we cheering for the bear? And the bear has got some speed up. Here we go. Number 11 sitting still on the back straight. It's in reverse. Oh, huge hit! Now, 11. Oh, 11's still going. 11's still got reverse gear. 69, is that it? Is that all she blew? The Iveco. Oh no, it looks like it's bitten the dust. The steward has pointed out that 719 has been moving. He's pulled the slowest lap in the world. He's only round the outside bend. 719 is still just about hanging on. Can 11 finish off the last man? Can he do it? Round the bend he goes. Yeah, that was nasty. And drives the Benson strip at 5:22. Well, 719's reversing now. How on earth is this happening? 719. Unbelievable, that's still inching forward. 11 has taken such abuse and delivered such abuse, and yet he has got to deliver one last final fatal blow. So, 11 still continuing. You've got to give him a cheer as he comes round. He's going to try and attack 719 one last time.
Yeah.
719, he's not showing a huge amount of life. 11 might just kickstart. Oh! There we go. Now, who is going to move? Is 11 still definitely moving? 11 still under power. Right then, ladies and gentlemen, let's count them out. 719, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, no, we're giving it.
Oh, here we go.
We're giving it. 970's been set still for too long. Number 11 is your Destruction Derby winner.